Welcome again. We have paper 1, May 2023, Edexcel. So first the question here talking about a given inequality and they are asking us to solve it. So the first step here to rearrange the inequality itself. Rearranging inequality itself, it means you have to move this side, right hand side, to be on left hand side. So here we have 4x to the power of 2 minus 3x plus 7. 4x, move it left hand side, minus 4x minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Now we have to simplify it, so 4x squared minus 7x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Next step, here we have to solve the corresponding quadratic equation. Corresponding quadratic equation means I have to solve 4x to the power of 2 minus 7x minus 2 equals 0. Means I should write it into linear factors. So rewriting 4x squared minus 7x minus 2 equals 0, rewriting it as a product of linear factors, we can use our calculator. So a mode, we have equation number 5, then we'll have 3 as a quadratic equation. Click it. They will give you a, b, c. A is a coefficient of x to the power of 2, and b is the coefficient of x, and minus 2 is the value of c. So coefficient of x squared a, which is 4, equal coefficient of x minus 7 equal minus 2, a constant term, so minus 2 equal, again equal, we'll have x1 equal 2, so the first linear factor, the solution is x equal 2, the second is minus 1 over 4. So here we have x equal negative 1 over 4, and we have x equal 2. So rewriting them as a linear factor, we'll have to solve it like an equation. So we'll have x minus 2 equal 0. So the first linear factor, x minus 2. The second factor here, we'll solve it again, but be careful here. We have to cross multiplication here. So x times 4 is 4x equal negative 1. So plus 1 will have 4x plus 1. So this is the second linear factor. So here we'll say x minus 2 equals 0, means x equal to 4x plus 1 equal 0, means 4x equal minus 1, so x equal minus 1 over 4. If you don't want to use your calculator, you can work it out by factorizing, normal factorizing, which is 4x to the power of 2 minus 7x minus 2 equal 0. So now 4 times 2 is 8, times minus 2 is minus 8. So here we'll have 8 times minus 1. If you are adding them, you will get 7, not minus 7. So minus 8 times 1 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 1. If you are adding them, you will get negative 7. We'll get the midterm here. So here we will write it for x to the power of 2 minus 8 x plus x minus 2 equal 0. So taking out 4 as a 4x as a highest common factor, we'll have x minus 2 plus between two brackets also x minus 2, and the highest common factor is a linear factor, which is x minus 2. So we'll have x minus 2 times 4x plus 1 equal 0. Now the step 3 is to identify the intervals So we'll write the roots here. This is the root that we have. We have, as you can, minus 1 over 4 and 2. So here we have, so here we have minus 1 over 4 and we have here 2. And as you know, the quadratic equation that we have, or quadratic equality here, 4x squared minus 7x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Now, 4x squared is positive, means the coefficient of x is positive, so between the roots, the opposite, negative, and outside the root, same as the same sign of the coefficient of x squared. So here we have positive. So this is increasing, then down, decreasing, then increasing. So in this case, we'll have x less than or equal negative 1 over 4, and we'll have x greater than or equal to 2. So our intervals will be x less than or equal to negative 1 over 4 or x greater than or equal to 2. Thank you.